Hi, this is Bill from Aurora Financial Services, and I'd like to talk to you about those letters from the IRS. At any time during the year, you could receive a letter from the IRS or the appropriate state agency. Colorado, that would be the Department of Revenue. That has to do with a past tax return or a particular item on a past tax return. In most cases, the letter is a correspondence audit asking that additional information be mailed to them or that a proposed additional amount of tax be sent in. If you've received one of these, you know that it's very unpleasant feeling. You need to take action right away and respond within a time frame stated on the letter, usually 30 days. It's not to be taken lightly. But you should also know that most of these letters are easily handled. Maybe a W-2 detached from your packet and they're asking for another copy. Maybe you left off a 1099 interest for $10 that you earned. If it is something simple like that, usually the taxpayer can take care of it quickly and easily and at almost no cost. But if they're asking for money and you don't understand why, you might bring it to us and let us review it. We have seen an untold number of cases where the IRS was simply wrong in their rationale for payment. Our best result so far is a $22,000 request that was dropped to less than $500. This was a case of the IRS simply not understanding one transaction and taxing a substantial amount of income twice. Here's what Aurora Financial Services can do. Bring a letter you received and a return for the appropriate tax year. Remember to bring both state and federal returns because, for example, if we have to amend the federal return, then the state return would have to be amended as well. Realize that these requests may be in regard to tax returns filed 2 or more years ago. We can look at it, determine a corrective action, and offer you a quote for taking care of the problem. If we can do that in less than 30 minutes, there's no charge for the consultation, and you can give us a yes or no to go ahead and fix the problem. Aurora Financial Services has a unique business model, and this is reflected in our pricing. Our hourly rates for tax planning and other tax-related work is only $45 an hour. Compare that to the major tax chains or your local CPA or tax attorney, and you will be pleasantly surprised. So give us a call. Aurora Financial Services, 303-745-3962, or check us out on the web, www.afsnodebt.com. Thank you.